I'm Dave and this is DG Overlanding. Today we're spending the day at Ezemvelo Nature Reserve. It's just outside Bronkhorstspruit in Gauteng Province. It's about 140 kilometers from our home in Allen's Neck. The tar road up to Bronkhorstspruit is fine. It's like a highway, but the dirt road from Bronkhorstspruit to Ezemvelo is diabolical. Okay, we've just turned onto the dirt road going to Ezemvelo. It's a dirt road for about 8-9 kilometers. So we'll go and see what it looks like. Right, so here's another turn off to Ezemvelo on the dirt road. But this dirt road, don't bring your ordinary car. You'll get shaken to pieces. Plus we just lost a window. There's a big crack in it. Stone from a car going past. Zap on the window. We're just arriving at the entrance gate to Ezemvelo Nature Reserve. Right, there we are. Gauteng East Ezemvelo Nature Reserve. Here's the rules. So it's been very nice. I like the no music. It's not on here, but there's a no music policy, which is very good. So we're driving in Ezemvelo, one of the roads, going down to reception. See a zebra on our right, it's too far off. Right, there's some ostrich.
And the wildebeest.
And there's a wildebeest, there's a blesbok, and some ostrich running around. Track Ezemvelo. wildebeest running there. I don't know if you can see it. I can't even see it now. Right, there's some wildebeest. Couple of zebra. But they do have some huts here where you can stay over. It's got a bra pit. There's a sink, there's an outside toilet area. There's gas, I saw gas, so there must be hot water from gas. And this is the little chalet you can stay in. There's a few here. This is number 3 that we're looking at. Can't go inside because we're not staying here. But it's right on the edge of a cliff. There's the river down below, I think. So yeah, it looks very nice. So here it is, number 3. So I'd assume there's 2 others. There's the gas. I don't know what's inside. Some beds, I assume. Right, so here's one of the huts. There's just beds inside and there's a little wash-up ablution space outside. It's very nice down by the river. These are hikers' huts. There's some swallows flying around. Rocks. I bet there's some baboons on these things. That's for sure. And there's the river. It's our car, we got the Pajero today. Got a big crack in the window from a stone on the way here, so that's not too good. Calling the insurance tomorrow. And there in the distance, some rapids. There's the rapids over there. So you can camp here as well if you wanted to. It's 200 Rand a night per person to camp here, with a minimum of 700 Rand for the night. So, lovely area to camp. There's no power, so you need to have solar to be fully off-grid capable to camp here. Right, so we're just having some lunch down by the dam, Ezemvelo. Nope, not many birds around. Thought there might be some bigger birds. There's our lunch setup, picnic. Sorry about the wind, but the wind is blowing, a bit noisy. They have got chalets. Chalets over there in the distance. This is the reception area. There's a play park, trampolines and things, and in the distance over there is camping. We'll take a drive there just down and have a look. So there we are. And there's the dam. Been a very nice day. This is the campsite at Ezemvelo. Nice prize. Electric power points. Communal showers and bathrooms. They're in there, the bathrooms. We have camped here once before. I'm sure I camped here because it was winter. Right, so here we are at the entrance exit, Ezemvelo. It's been an interesting day.
Lovely day.
Lots of animals, actual facts. Not that many birds, but lots of animals.
Turn right on that page.
There, do we got it?
Yeah.